Starting around 23 January 2024, Algorand certainly is exchanging at $0.1544 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.31% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, or so they sort of thought. Algo essentially has an especially complete market cap of $1,241,668,454, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $59,775,981, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. This sort of makes Algorand, Algo, sort of positioning at 54 in the digital currency market in an unobtrusive way. On the off chance that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2024, what will Algorand basically be worth in 2024 in every practical sense, significant way? Is Algorand a genuinely wise venture or extremely worth purchasing in 2024, which sort of is very huge? Will Algo cost basically outperform its untouched height, which for the most part is genuinely critical? These most certainly are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future. Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2024, as per the Algorand estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the Algo cost basically is supposed to especially cross a fundamentally normal value level of $0.2593, the normal sort of least value worth of Algorand, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to sort of be $0.2507. Besides, Algo can sort of arrive at a very most extreme value level of $0.2862 in a genuinely enormous manner. Algorand value forecast January 2024. The cost of Algorand by and large is somewhat anticipated to especially reach at a fundamentally least worth of $0.1648 in January 2024, or so they truly thought. The Algo cost could truly arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $0.1854, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.1802 all through 2024, sort of additional appearance how Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2024, as per the Algorand gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the Algo cost basically is supposed to generally cross a really normal value level of $0.2593. The normal certainly least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of the truly current year ought to in a real sense be $0.2507. Algorand, Algo, value figure February 2024. The Algorand, Algo, cost for February 2024 may arrive at an exceptionally least worth of $0.1771, while the really most extreme determined cost certainly is around $0.1926. Which basically shows that will Algo cost especially outperform its unsurpassed height, which in every practical sense is very critical. The sort of typical cost for Algo sort of is especially anticipated to truly reach $0.1856 in February 2024 in an unobtrusive way. Algorand, Algo, value expectation walk 2024. With respect to walk 2024, Algorand cost explicitly is figured to really arrive at the most minimal cost of $0.1862 in an unpretentious manner. The Algo cost could for the most part arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $0.2000, with the exceptionally normal expected cost around $0.1931 in an every practical sense, large way. Algorand value gauge April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Algorand in every way that really matters is supposed to sort of be at around a sort of least of $0.1922 incredibly. Algorand cost can in every practical sense arrive at a genuinely limit of $0.2077, with the very normal cost of $0.2008 in United States dollars in a for the most part large manner. Algo value estimate May 2024. The Algorand figure for May 2024 expects that the Algo may especially arrive at a by and large greatest worth of $0.2158, with a kind of least cost of around $0.2002 in a fundamentally enormous manner. Discussing the sort of typical value Algo can truly stretch around $0.2088 for May, exhibiting how besides Algo can explicitly arrive at an extremely greatest value level of $0.2862, or so they thought. Algorand, Algo, value estimate June 2024. For June 2024, the cost of Algorand for the most part is anticipated to arrive at a very normal cost of $0.2130, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $0.2241 and a truly least of $0.2061, which in a real sense is very critical. Algo value estimate July 2024. The Algorand figure for July 2024 expects that the Algo may in every practical sense arrive at a greatest worth of $0.2348 with an exceptionally least cost of around $0.2129, showing how, assuming you, all things considered, are a crypto financial backer and thinking about what explicitly is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2024. What will Algorand really be fundamentally worth in 2024 in an especially huge manner? Discussing the essentially normal value Algo can generally stretch around $0.2215 for July, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Algorand, Algo, value estimate August 2024. The Algorand, Algo, cost for August 2024 may generally arrive at a very least worth of $0.2196, while the really greatest determined cost by and large is around $0.2459 in an unpretentious manner. The truly normal cost for Algo by and large is truly anticipated to truly reach $0.2282 in August 2024, in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Algorand value forecast September 2024. The cost of Algorand in a real sense is truly anticipated to for the most part reach at a really least worth of $0.2241 in September 2024, or so they certainly thought. The Algo cost could generally arrive at a greatest worth of $0.2550, with the extremely normal exchanging worth of $0.2327 all through 2024, which essentially is genuinely critical. Algo value figure October 2024. Concerning October 2024, Algorand especially is supposed to by and large arrive at a really least value worth of $0.2328, which generally is genuinely huge. The Algo cost could in a real sense arrive at an exceptionally greatest cost of $0.2666, with the very normal cost around $0.2397 in a significant manner. Algorand value conjecture November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of Algorand explicitly is supposed to be at around in every practical sense, least of $0.2407 in a sort of significant manner. Algorand cost can generally arrive at a by and large limit of $0.2762, with the very normal cost of $0.2493 in United States dollars, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Algorand value expectation December 2024. Algorand cost most certainly is supposed to sort of reach between $0.2507 to $0.2862 in December 2024, while the by and large normal cost of Algo for the December in every practical sense stays around $0.2593. Algorand pretty past value examination. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto fundamentally has been really diminished to 4.39